are potatoes.
Okay, I thought they were peanuts.
Put your arms out and say yay. Step over it.
Step over.
You can do it. Step over it.
Good job.
Yay, Lizzie.
Ready, jump. Ta-da!
Good job.
Okay, we gotta throw the snow cones in.
I was like this.
Okay, throw them in.
Good job.
Okay, walk on this beam. Oh, thank you. Giving it to Ashley. That's nice. All right, Lizzie.
Ready, Lizzie?
Lizzie, babe.
Here, remember? Nope.
Next.
She found the mirror.
Okay, ready? No, arms out like an airplane. Hold your waist. And arms out like an airplane. There's your airplane. Get your airplane out. Get your airplane out. Put your airplane. Make your airplane like this. Okay? I'll hold here.
Keep going. Remember what you're doing? I don't think that's what you're supposed to be doing.
Where's your airplane?
You're supposed to be jumping over.
Any turn. Tuck jump.
Come on.
Yay.